Hello students, this is Karan Kumar Physics. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET. Today I am going to discuss about the digital electronics. Digital electronics. This is an important topic which will come in mains as well as NEET. Okay, so here the numbers, we know the numbers from 0 to 9, then that system is said to be a decimal system. Okay, but in the digital, that means in computer, we are giving whatever the number from 0 to 9, it will take only two numbers. That's why they are said to be binary system. Here there are bits and bytes. There are bits 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are called bits. Set of 8 digits is called byte. Okay, so this binary system which contains only 2 digits. So this 0 indicates off, no, false. Okay, like that. 1 indicate on, yes, true, like that. For all conditions of switches, okay, we use 0 and 1 only in the binary system. This decimal system contains from 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, but binary system contains only 0 and 1. So that means here 10 numbers, here only 2. That's why we will substitute, we write this value, base value, base 10, this is base 2. For example, I want to convert this 12, number 12 into binary system. For that, what to do? Divide the 12 with 2 up to the remainder becomes least, either 0 or 1. Okay, now this 12 is divided with 2. What happens? 2 6 are 12. So 2 6 are 12 means remainder is 0. Again 2 3 are 6. Remainder is 0. Next 2 1 are 2. Remainder is 1. That means you can write like this. This is the order of writing. So 1 1 0 0 base 2. You can write 12 base 10 is nothing but 1 1 0 0 base 2. That means, for example, I want to calculate this value. Again, what I take? So I am taking what? 12, that is a number. I want to convert this decimal number into binary system. This is the binary number for 12. For example, how to check whether it is correct or not? Means, start with 2 power 0. 2 power 0. Multiply with 2 power zeros with increasing order and add all the values. That means, starting 0 multiplied with 2 power 0 plus 0 multiplied with 2 power 1 plus 1 multiplied with 2 power 2 plus 1 multiplied with 2 power 3 means how much? This is 8, this is 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, 12 plus 0, 12. That is 12. So our answer is correct. So that is how you can convert the decimal system into binary system or binary system into decimal system. For example, I have this number 101010 base 2. This is the binary number. I want to convert this number into decimal system. Then what to do? Write like this. Write the increasing power of order. This is 2 power 0. Multiply the 0 means 0. 2 power 0 multiplied with 0 plus 1 multiplied with 2 power 1 plus 0 multiplied with 2 power 2 plus this one completed or not? This one completed. This one completed. Next this one 1 multiplied with 2 cube plus 0 multiplied with 2 power 4 plus 1 multiplied with 2 power 5. Now add this. 2 power 5 means 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. 32 plus 8 plus 2, 32 plus 10, 42. This is the decimal number. Okay, understood? Otherwise, you can take like this. I am taking 105. 105 is the decimal number. I want to convert this into binary system. Binary system. That means whatever the number you are giving to the system, that means computer, then that number will not take directly. That number will not take directly by the computer system. It can convert this number into these binary digits. Okay. So let us check this 105 base 10. This 105 divided with 2. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are how much? 4. Remainder is 1. Next 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. Remainder is 0. 2 13s are 26. Remainder is 0. 2 6s are 12. Remainder is 1. 2 3s are 6. Remainder is 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 1. Okay. 2 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. So now you can write like this. So what happens? Then 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. So this 105 base 10 is equal to how much? 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 base 2. This is about the conversion of decimal system into binary system or binary system into decimal system. Okay. That is about the conversion. Next